Introducing the Polestar 4. Let's look at the exterior. We love the coupe SUV bums. You've got that SUV practicality, but with those sleek, sloping lines that make it properly stylish, proving you can still look good while being sensible. Up front is just as impressive, with those signature Thor hammer headlights that scream Polestar. And those flush door handles aren't just for show, they're part of the clever aerodynamic system that helps you go even further between charges. Let's look at the interior. Step inside and you're greeted by Scandinavian minimalism at its best. The 15.4-inch touchscreen dominates the uncluttered dashboard, with high-quality sustainable materials throughout. The most striking feature? There's no rear window. Instead, you get a camera system that actually improves visibility. Now, let's look at how it drives. Even in the single-motor version, you get that addictive instant EV responsiveness that makes electric driving so rewarding. It's refined too, staying whisper quiet at motorway speeds while cornering with surprising precision for its size. With a WLTP combined range of up to 385 miles from the 100 kilowatt battery, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. So, is it worth the hype? Absolutely. The Polestar 4 isn't just another EV, it's a proper statement of intent from a brand that's rapidly becoming a major player. With its striking looks, impressive range, and thoughtful features, it's an excellent option for your next electric lease.